Good morning, my name is Estefania Diaz, and in this video different activities will be presented to teach the parts of a speech. The first part is the pronouns, in which the type of public is from 10 to 13 years old, and the different activities will be explained according to the class and 3 moments before, during, and after. In the subject pronouns before the activity, a video explaining the subject will be watched and a small introductory activity will be carried out on the subject. For example, play basketball on Saturdays. Students will complete the sentences together. In this case is they. During the activity, they will make a technological tool called WordWall. Here, they will organize the subject pronouns according to their meaning in Spanish. For example, in the subject pronoun you is equal to tú in Spanish, so the students will learn to relate it. The other activity that we will carry out is to give the student a series of cards with 3 options for subject pronouns. They must mark the correct one, and on the back of the card write a short sentence describe the image. For example, in the image, the students in this case will mark the and write on the back of this, for example, they are talking about their day is a example. After the activity, the students will share the sentences. In the object pronouns before the activity, we will watch a small explanatory video, and we will carry out a small activity. For example, the object pronoun the I is me. The student in this case complete the object pronoun in this case. During the activity, we will play an online interactive game where they have to complete the sentences with the object pronoun. For example, I saw my sister in the playground, so I walked to. The students complete for the interactive online game the object pronoun or the subject pronoun. After the activity, there will be a quiz where they must complete the sentences with the object pronoun or the subject pronoun. For example, Luis gave Sonia a golden bracelet, space ball, space for, space. The students complete the sentences using a pronoun subject or object pronoun. Before the activity, possessive pronouns and relative pronouns, the students will watch an introductory video and a table will be explained to them, in which the relative pronouns are presented, what they are used for, an example sentences. During the activity, students will do a crossword puzzle in which they will have to fill and look at the photos to complete it. In the other activity, students will improve their reading and writing comprehensions, reading ideas about Charles Dickens, and identifying the relative pronoun in this space. They will finally carry out written productions in which they will have to use the relative pronouns. After the activity, they will present the story in a creative way through dramatization, songs, and the students' wishes. The next topic is the prepositions for public between 10 and 13 years old. Before the activity, the students will watch two explanatory videos for the prepositions. During the activity that we will carry out is called preposition scavenger hunt. The students will have a treasury guide where they must complete the sentences with the preposition at the objects. This will be done by looking for the hidden objects in the classroom. For example, the space is space, the table. The students complete the sentences looking for the hidden objects in the classroom. Is the treasury guide for the activity preposition scavenger hunt. After the activity with the phrase from the treasury guide, they will make a creative story and share it with others. For the topic of adverbs, the public will be from 10 to 13 years old, and an introductory video will also be present before the activity. During the activity, this activity that will be done will consist of having 4 sessions of cards. Each one will be of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Each student will write a card and must make a sentence with these words. They can and complete words to the sentences. And then they must make a creative poster in which they can see the phrase and the indication of the grammatical structure of this phrase. After the activity, they will present the poster to the others with identification of the grammatical structure of this phrase. Thanks for watching.